Here composite supply. Composite supply means two or more supply naturally bundled in conjunction with each other, one of which principal supply taxable liability shall be rate at the principal rate. Suppose in the mobile is being sold with charger. So in mobile, if the GST in the mobile is 28%, in charger it is 18%, in the composite supply GST will be applicable on 28% or 18%. Yes, in this case, in composite supply, GST is applicable on 28%, that is composite supply. But in case of mixed supply, as I given you the example of birthday party, the consist of two or more supply of single price means one bundle, one packet will get all this thing. You get the cake or candle and knife and some balloon or some that cap, okay. So in that case also it is not naturally bundle. Here natural bundle, here there is not natural bundle. In that case, what will be the GST rate? The rate of GST applicable supply that at a higher rate of tax. Here gift pack composite of all the candles, sweets, all these things, okay. So what will be the GST rate? GST rate will be, which will be the GST rate? In mixed supply, what will be the GST rate? I hope it is clear. Okay, mixed supply and composite supply. Okay. Okay, don't confuse here in the schedule 2. Schedule 2 talk about what are the goods, supply of goods, what are supply of services. So schedule 2 talk about which are goods, supply of goods or supply of services. Here transfer. Transfer means transfer of ownership. Transfer of ownership. Here it is called supply of goods or services. It is called supply of goods. Okay. If title is transferred, then here suppose I have sold my car to you. So in this case it is called supply of goods. Okay. Got my point? Okay. But suppose I have not transferred my car to you, but I have given my car to you for rent basis. In that case, it is called supply of service. The ownership is not transferred. The ownership is not transferred, then it is called supply of service. Right is not transferred. Right is not transferred. Okay, this is called supply of service. Clear? 100% GST applicable. 100% GST applicable. Rent a cab. Yes. Then land building. Here there is a confusion. Ethre confusion हुए. What happened? Goods are those things which is movable, but land and building is not movable. It is supply of service. Confusion अच्छी ना नहीं? Is it? अरे आपको क्वेश्चन होगा in your mind. That may be question. Here there is not worry about. Here it is talking about renting of land or building. Suppose you have rent your home, house, then in that case it is service or goods. Renting of, yes, supply of service. Here rent you are collecting, if it is more than 20 lakhs, when GST covered, if more than that, then GST will be applicable. Okay. Lease is also long term basis, more than 50 years, 20 years, then lease, that is also supply of service. It is not supply of goods, it is supply of service. Then treatment or process. Treatment or process. Suppose I have transferred some of the goods for processing. Okay, I have sent some sugar to process it, to make it and return to me. Okay, in that case it is called supply of service. Supply of service. Suppose I have given my cloth, to the dry wash and they are returning to me. Okay, in that case this is called supply of service. Got my point? Is it clear? Then transfer of business of asset. Transfer of business of asset, it is called supply of goods. Total dispose of the asset. One business is sold to the another business. Total asset has been sold. That is supply of the goods. Okay. But goods used for the business, for private use made available, means you are not transferring the ownership, but you are giving some time for the using of the business. That is called supply of service. Means 100% ownership has been not transferred. Okay, but they are using the facility, carrying the business. It is called supply of service. Supply of service. Renting of immovable property. Sorry. Then construction of complex building structure. So construction, any construction, means road, bridge, this is called supply of service. Okay. Supply of service. Development, design of program, IT software, all these are called supply of service. Works contract. What is works contract? Works contract is what? Suppose in a company, what happened in if you talk about basically coal industry, no, what happened? The heavy vehicles or repair works of heavy vehicles is done through outside agency. Means they will supply the material, they will repair the goods and they will send to you. Suppose a company X Limited, he has one truck. Okay, truck is there, then truck is in damaged condition. So you have given this services, work contract has been given for repairing of the truck. Then they are returning the truck after repair it. They will give the product and they will return after repairing it. So this is work contract. Just such like fabrication, construction, repair, electrical maintenance, all these things. This is called works contract. Works contract. Any kind of immovable property. So it is called supply of service. Works contract comes under supply of service. Then supply of goods by incorporate association. Suppose a company is not incorporated or body means registration has been not done. Okay. Deferred payment at the valuation consideration. It is called supply of the goods. Supply of the goods. Means before incorporation of the association, the person or the member are therefore cash deferred payment system or value of consideration. Means before registration, someone is paying something. So that is called supply of the goods. Hello, I hope it is clear.
The cash or deferred payment, sir, it asset re jaଉଛି, sir, goods re jaଉଛି, so supply of goods होଉଛି. ତ ସେଟା GST ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ଆସିବ।
अरे goods रे cash included no no. First let me know. Cash is included or no?
ତ ଗୁଡ୍ସ ରେ କ୍ୟାଶ ତ ଯିବନି sir।
Okay. ताले केमती हबो एटा?
सर एयर कंडीशनर बिहाफ रे हमें सेटा कंसीडरेशन दउछु। सेटा सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स होछु।
Yes. Means suppose residential welfare association of Sanskrit society supply air condition to its member with concessional price. It is supply of goods. मतलब कौन? Cooperative society. Generally, the cooperative society they sold the goods in concessional rate. Means 100 rupees product is there. They will sold its 80 rupees to their member. To their member. So that is also called supply of goods. Okay. Is it clear? Hmm. So this is all about supply of goods. Okay. So mostly schedule 1 we already covered, schedule 2 already covered. Now schedule 3 is there for pending. That is called non-GST. Means that is you can say negative list. Okay. That part is only pending for the GST. I hope today class is good now. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, friend. Thank you for watching.